Hello everyone, today we will compare RealtyMogul and Fundrise, two popular real estate investment platforms in the world. So RealtyMogul offers a range of real estate investment opportunities including commercial properties and real estate investment trust catering to both accredited and non-accredited investors, while Fundrise provide a simple way to invest in diversified real estate portfolios through their proprietary electronic real estate investment trust and e-funds designed for investors of all experience levels. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer and support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till then because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for RealtyMogul and Fundrise, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go directly to the features comparison. So when it comes to investment types, RealtyMogul offers real estate investment trust and individual properties, while Fundrise offers electronic real estate investment trust, e-funds, and individual properties also. When it comes to accreditation, RealtyMogul offers both accredited and non-accredited investors, same thing with Fundrise. So when it comes to asset classes, both platforms again, RealtyMogul and Fundrise offers commercial and residential asset classes. And when it comes to liquidity features, so RealtyMogul is limited, typically 3 to 7 year old periods, while Fundrise is also limited, typically quarterly redemption options only. So when it comes to dividend payments, so both platforms offers quarterly dividend payments. And when it comes to platform experience, so RealtyMogul offers a more personalized investment approach, while Fundrise offers user-friendly automated investment experience. When it comes to due diligence, RealtyMogul offers rigorous underwriting and due diligence process, when Fundrise offers extensive due diligence with transparent reporting. So that's it for the features comparison. Now let's go directly to the pricing. So when it comes to minimum investment, as I said, RealtyMogul offers $5,000 of minimum investment, while Fundrise only offers minimum investment of $10 because it's all automatic. When it comes to annual fees, RealtyMogul offers 1% to 1.25% asset management fees, while Fundrise offers 0.15% advisory fee and 0.80 plus 0.85% asset management fee. Lastly, for additional fees, RealtyMogul offers performance fees on certain deals, while Fundrise don't have any additional fees. And that's it for the simple pricing comparison. So now let's go directly to another section, which is performance. So when it comes to historical returns, RealtyMogul offers 4% to 12% historical return, while Fundrise offers starting from 8% to 12% also. When it comes to dividend yields, RealtyMogul offers 6% to 8% and it varies by investments, while Fundrise offers 5% to 9% dividend yields. When it comes to portfolio diversification, RealtyMogul is very high and it varies property types and location. So same thing with Fundrise, and it's very high also, but it's diversified through EREITs and e-funds. So that's it for the performance. Now let's go to the customer support. So when it comes to the support channels, both platforms have email, phone, and chat support channels. When it comes to their response times, so both platforms typically respond within a day. And when it comes to their availability, both platforms is available only Monday to Friday business hours. And when it comes to help center, same thing again. There are both comprehensive online resources and facts. And when it comes to personalized support, RealtyMogul has dedicated investment managers for certain investors, while Fundrise only have standardized support across all users. So yes, that's it for the customer support. So now we're done with the customer support, features, pricing, and performance comparison. So now let's go directly to the pros and cons. And let's start by discussing the RealtyMogul pros and cons. So when it comes to pros, RealtyMogul allow investors to directly choose specific properties, providing more control over investments. They also employs a true vetting process to ensure the quality and potential of investment properties. And they are open to both accredited and non-accredited investors, making it accessible to a wider audience. And they have regular income distribution, which can be appealing to income-focused investors. And lastly, they have a team of experienced professionals in real estate investment. So when it comes to cons, RealtyMogul requires a minimum investment of $5,000, which may be a barrier for some investors. And when it comes to investment, typically have long hold periods of 3 to 7 years, limiting access to funds. And some deals may include performance fees, potential reducing net returns. And lastly, they have direct investment in individual properties can be complex and time-consuming compared to automated platforms. So that's it for the RealtyMogul pros and cons. So now let's go to Fundrise pros and cons. And when it comes to pros, Fundrise starts as low as $10, making it accessible to virtually anyone. And they offers an easy-to-use platform with automated portfolio management suitable for beginners. They provide some liquidity through quarterly redemption opportunities. And they have investment in electronic REITs and e-funds spread risk across multiple properties. They have a regular updates and transparent reporting on portfolio performance, and they have a user-friendly platform, intuitive and easy to navigate, suitable for new investors. So that's it for the pros. When it comes to cons, Fundrise primarily offers investment in diversified funds rather than individual properties. They charge an advisory fee 0.15% plus an annual asset management fee of 0.85%. And some investment might offer lower potential returns compared to direct property investment. And lastly, they provide a uniform support experience lacking a personalized investment advice. So that's it for the Fundrise pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start that by discussing who should choose RealtyMogul. So RealtyMogul is preferable for someone who prefer investing in individual properties, someone who have a higher capital to invest initially, someone who value a rigorous due diligence process, and lastly, someone who are unaccredited investors looking for a larger commercial deals. So if you have all of these qualities, RealtyMogul is the choice for you. And for the people who should choose Fundrise, Fundrise is preferable for someone who are new or small investors with limited capital, someone who prefer a diversified portfolio through automated investments, someone who value liquidity options with quarterly redemptions, and someone who wants a user-friendly platform with transparent reporting. So if you have all of this quality, Fundrise is the choice for you. And that's it. So in conclusion, both platforms, Fundrise and RealtyMogul, offers unique advantage for real estate investors. RealtyMogul is ideal for those looking to invest directly in individual properties with a larger or higher initial investment, while Fundrise provides a more accessible and automated approach to building a diversified real estate portfolio. So explore both platforms to see which one aligns best with your investment goals and start building your real estate portfolio today. So with that being said, the comparison is over, and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. And also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.